Hallo, herzlich willkommen und Dankeschön fürs Zuschauen. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, Leute, noch einmal lasst uns unsere Gedanken sagen. Es ist, wer Sie im Wasser sind, müssen Sie schwimmen. In English, it is, if you are in the water, you have to swim. In French, si vous êtes dans l'eau, vous devez nager. Okay, sorry guys, because a lot of people are contacting me on Facebook asking me what you mean by saying this thought to us. I said, okay, no problem. I said, when, if you are in the water, you have to swim. It's like saying to someone, if you are in the street, you have to walk. Sorry. Okay, Leute, heute haben wir W Fragen in Deutsch. Die W-Fragen sind sehr wichtig für uns. Today, guys, we have the question words in German. The question words are very important. We have to understand them before starting asking someone something. The answer. Oder wir haben niemandem fragen. Wir möchten die W-Fragen. Dankeschön. Lass uns die W-Fragen lernen. Dankeschön. Okay, guys. Die W-Fragen are the question words. Okay. The first one is the first one we met today is wie. Very use. Die heißen Sie. Die heißen Sie. This V we use. Okay, it means how. How. But don't mistaken, because V means a lot of things also. But we learning as a meanings how in German. Okay, next one is was. Was also is what. Here we coming there for what again as was. Wann is when. Where, who, there, who. Don't mistake it with this also. As also we taken the cases in German. Okay, and the next is wenn. Wenn is if. If when have a lot of people behind when fighting with when. Okay, sorry guys, I just want to tell you that there is a lot of words to say when also. We will learning them. Okay, and then we have a wo. Wo after wo means where. Woa means where. Woin means where. That's the fight is starting here. We say wo woin. Wo woin. It's only where. Good. We'll be learning that together, guys. Don't worry. Guys, let's start with Fragen wer. Fragen wer means who in German, and it responding to the cases also. As a nominative case, we have wer, that accusative, wen, dative, wem. Good. Okay, Leute, lass uns benutzen sie bitte. Okay, guys, let's use them. Die nutzen. Okay, nutzen. Okay. They using. Wer bist du? Who are you? Wie heißen Sie? How are you called? And then we have was ist das? What is this? Or what is that? Und dann wir haben wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann hast du Geburtstag? When is your birthday? Or literally it is when have you birthday? When have you birthday? That is, when is your birthday? Und dann wir haben wenn Sie mögen. Wenn Sie mögen. If you like. Wenn Sie mögen. Wo wohnen Sie? Wo wohnen Sie is where they are living. You can see So immediately here the Z is not starting with the big S, it is a small s. Sorry for saying big and small. A big character and small character. Big one is a U and the small one is they. Woher kommst du? Oder woher kommen Sie? Is where are you from? Where are you from? Wo kommen Sie? Oder woher kommst du? We'll be learning this one also deeply because we can say also wo kommst du her? Wo kommst du her? Or wo kommen Sie her? Good. Thank you for watching. Dankeschön fürs Zuschauen. And auf Wiedersehen. Bis bald. Tschüss. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye. Then tschüss is the informal way to say auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss, tschüss, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. Gut, Dankeschön.